Down on your knees. I was not breathing. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Kat and Simone, and we have with us a guest today. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey guys, I'm Riss, and I also have my own channel. It's at Reality with Riss, so make sure you subscribe. But what are we doing today? What are we doing?
We're gonna put Riss through a workout of German ball U. So we're gonna do 3 different leg exercises. We're gonna go 10 rounds for 10 reps. It's gonna be a tough one, but we're 3 people here to push each other and get a good sweat on, a good pump on, for sure. Yeah, and Riss just got back from vacation, so
pray for me.
We're just going easy on her, unfortunately. So it's gonna be good. So let's go, guys. Let's do the show. So our first exercise is going to be hip thrust. We're going to do this exercise 10 times, 10 reps. All 3 of us. You girls ready? Let's get it. Let's get this. You guys, that was halfway through. Halfway, we're at 5 right now. We still got 5 to go. Got a little booty pump going. Starting to come in? Okay. Yeah, got a little booty pump going on. Do we want a dump truck or no? Let me know. What time it is? Last and final round. Round 10, okay? Last one. Let's get this pump going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Yes, nice, slow and controlled. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9. Last one, keep it up. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7. If I don't have the biggest booty in the morning, I don't know. 10. What's the rep for our thrust? We just did 10 for 10. Definitely got a good glute tension. That's right. Glute pumps. What are we working with, guys? What y'all think? Is it there? Well, like, is there? Be the judge. guys, our last exercise for our German volume training day is going to be step-ups. There's many different ways that you can do step-ups, but we kind of set it up here because we have a little, area where you can do it no assistance whatsoever. We prefer to add like assistance, grabbing like a wall. You don't want anything to pull yourself up. You don't want to cheat the game, but you kind of want to put one leg up. Make sure you push from the heel. Don't push from your toes. It's gonna hit more quad, but you want to push from your heels. I personally like to hold one hand just for balance. So we go here, we push up. Make sure we keep that tension on the backside throughout the whole thing, right? If you want to, you can go in the opposite hand, add in a dumbbell for some extra weight. Grab the wall with this hand, hold the dumbbell, push up. When you do step-ups, don't cheat, don't pick yourself up at all. Kind of push from your heel, up, boom, right there. Round 5, guys. Go. That's why it's good for you to work out in a group, because the group is gonna cheer you on. Hey! Cheer you on. Yeah. That was a wrap. Yeah. We did 3 exercises, hip thrust, we did the landmine RDL, and we did step up. We did 10 rounds times 10 reps, all of us. It took us a good 2-something hours.
2 and change.
2 and change, but who's counting, not me. But yeah, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys want to see next, and if you guys want to see us do another video together. Definitely. Let us know if you want her to join us in other workout videos. She's really good with hip workouts, so make sure you go check out her channel, her TikTok, her Instagrams. If you have, a shape like her, God bless. This is where to go, guys, okay?
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Of course, anytime.
Good job, girls. 1,
2, 3.